Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, Cool Memory.
Okay, I'm very happy to be in the class, and today we are going to be talking about, say, fairy tales.
Fairy tale.
Fairy tales.
Fairy tale.
These are stories that are very popular, that were written by other writers, and you can also write your own story. And so today, the story that I'm going to tell you is called... Are you ready for the title?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Okay, the story I'm going to tell you about is Cinderella. Okay? Cinderella. Do you know the story about Cinderella?
Yes.
Really?
Really?
Okay, no problem then. Now I'm going to ask. We have always 5 questions when we are given a story to look at. Now, the first one is number 1. Who? Can you say it together?
Wow.
Who? Now, when we talk of who, we are talking of the people in the story. The people in the story. So our story is actually Cinderella. So who are the people in our story, Cinderella? Who are the people in our story? Yes? Wow, very good. We have stepmother. Thank you, Bouquet. Who else do we have? Yes, None?
Stepsister.
Oh, so everybody is step, right?
Yeah.
Stepsister. And who else do we have? I don't want None alone, I need others. Who do we have in the story? Yes? Okay, yes? Cinderella. Very good. We have the main character, Cinderella. We actually have the main character, Cinderella. Cinderella. Okay, who else do we have? Who else do we have? Not. Think. Who do we have in the story?
Can I say?
And I just want to hear more from... I've heard from Tawan. Very good. We have the...
Please.
Together, we have the...
Please.
Okay, we have the prince. Okay? And I want Koso. I want Junior. I want Gail. And I need not. Who is in the story? Who is in the story?
I don't know.
You don't know? Yes, None?
The fairies.
The fairy. There is a fairy. Very good. There is a fairy in the story. Who else is in the story? Yes? Who? Then the... How do I spell that?
She's that.
The night. Can I see? K-N. Oh yes, the night. The knight in shining armor. The knight. All right. Now, those are the people who are in our story. So what is our first question? What is our first question? So we ask ourselves, when we are told a story, who is in the story? Who is in the story? Number 2, sit nicely for me, please. Okay. The next question we ask ourselves is, we have who? We have quite 5 questions. So we've covered who. Number 2 is where. Where. Number 2 is, what is number 2?
Where?
Again, I can't hear you.
Where?
Okay, so we have our next question, which is, we had number 1, which is who, and number 2 is where. So where does this story take place? Where does this story take place? Where does it take place? Yes, okay?
Castle.
In the castle. We hear of a castle. Okay? And where else? Where is the story taking place? Where is the story taking place? Okay? Where is it taking place? Yes, Tawan? In the jungle. You believe it's in the jungle. Okay. You think it's happening in the jungle. Wow. Yes, None?
The garden.
Wow, the garden. She believes it's in the garden. Junior, where do you think the story is taking place? Where did the story take place?
House.
In the house, very good. It's actually in a house because we start with the stepmother, right? So, house. We have house here. No, what do you think, my baby? Where is the story taking place? Where is the story taking place? Where? Where? Yes, Nane?
On the road.
On the
Road.
road.
What was the box?
There's also the rod. There's also the rod that is mentioned there. The rod. The rod. So on the rod, something happens on the rod. Okay. Where else? What country do you think is taking place? Because when we talk of where, we talk of a country, a position. Where is this taking place? Do you think it's in Thailand?
No. No.
Do you think it's in Africa?
No.
So where is it? Where is it? Answer me. Where is it? I need to hear. Game. Where is the story taking place? Sorry? Where? Tell me where. Where is the story taking place? Yes. I don't want the same faces. I don't want the same faces. No. Where is it taking place? Is it in Shanghai?
No.
So where is it? Where? Where is it? Where is it taking? Where?
In England.
London. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You believe it took place in London? Where else? What else do you think? It doesn't matter. Your answer does not matter. I can even say it took place in Zimbabwe. Because I'm from Zimbabwe. And I will tell you that the Cinderella was black.
Black and white.
She was black. France. Very good. You believe it took place in France. Junior, where do you think? What country?
Iceland.
Ooh, Iceland. So you believe it took place in Iceland. And Tawan? Where exactly on earth? Where do you think it took place? Yes?
Switzerland.
Switzerland. Switzerland. Switzerland. Okay? And last one, game. Where did it take place? Where is the story taking place? Where? Not. Where? Dubai. Ooh. It's taking place in the Arab country. Dubai. It's taking place in Dubai. As long as you can tell us why in the end, it's not a problem. So we've got our two questions. Who, where? Okay. So who is in our story? Let's go through the answers again. Who is in our story?
Stepmother, stepsister, Cinderella, Prince, Fairy.
And where is the story taking place?
That is castle over there.
Castle. It's taking place in the castle. Or it's taking place in...
London.
I believe it could be castle and London, and we have the garden and the house as well. So that we are going to choose where it's taking place. But basically we have all these positions, possible positions. Castle, especially garden, London, and house. And now our next question is who, where, what? Our next question is what? Now, when we say what, we mean what happened in the story. What happened in the story.